Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. It's nice to see you. How are you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm good, thank you. I'm a little nervous because it's our first date.
I am a bit nervous too, but I'm excited. I have been looking forward to this all week.
Me too. I like the restaurant we chose. It is quiet and romantic.
Yes, I like the atmosphere here. The lights are soft and the music is calm. It makes me feel relaxed.
Do you come here often?
No, this is my first time here. I saw it online and thought it looked nice.
I found it on a food blog. The reviews are very good. I hope the food is as good as they say.
I'm sure it will be. I am very hungry and ready to try new things.
Me too. What do you like to eat?
I like Italian food. I love pasta and pizza. What about you?
I like Italian food as well, but I also enjoy Asian food. I like sushi and stir-fried vegetables.
That sounds good. Maybe we can share some dishes.
Yes, that's a great idea. Sharing food makes the meal more fun.
Look, here comes the waiter.
Hello, welcome to our table. My name is Marco and I will be your waiter today. Can I start you with some drinks?
Yes, please. I would like a glass of red wine.
And I would like a glass of sparkling water, please.
Great choices. I will bring your drinks right away.
Thank you, Marco.
Anna, do you like wine?
Yes, I do. Red wine is my favorite. It is smooth and not too sweet.
I agree. A little wine makes the meal special.
What are you going to order for food?
I am thinking of ordering spaghetti with tomato sauce. It is simple but very tasty.
That sounds good. I might order a margarita pizza. I love the fresh tomatoes and basil.
Pizza is always a good choice. Maybe we can also get a salad to share.
Yes, a salad is a great idea. It will be light and fresh.
I like that we can try different things. It makes the meal more interesting.
Here are your drinks. Enjoy.
Thank you, Marco. The wine is lovely.
And the sparkling water is very refreshing. I feel more relaxed now.
Yes, the drinks help. So, Tom, what do you do for fun?
I like to play football with my friends on weekends. I also enjoy hiking in the mountains.
That sounds exciting. I like to go for long walks and sometimes ride my bicycle in the park.
I love the park. It is quiet and a good place to think.
I agree. Nature makes me feel calm. Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. I like to read adventure stories and travel books.
I love reading too. I often read novels and sometimes poetry. Reading is a good way to relax.
It is. I also like to watch movies. My favorite movies are comedies and action films.
I like comedies as well. They make me laugh and feel happy.
Laughter is important on a date. It makes everything more fun.
Yes, a good laugh makes the meal even better. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and soft rock. I also enjoy some jazz.
Jazz is nice. It is very calm and smooth, just like the music in this restaurant.
I agree. The music here is perfect for a romantic dinner. It is not too loud, so we can talk easily.
Yes, I like that. A good atmosphere makes the date more special.
Anna, can you tell me about your family?
Sure, I have a small family. I live with my parents and my younger sister. My sister is in high school and my parents are both teachers. What about you?
I have a big family. I have two older brothers and a younger sister. My parents are both doctors.
Wow, that is a big family. Do you all get along well?
Yes, we do. We have a lot of fun together, especially on family holidays.
That's nice. I love spending time with my family too. We often have dinner together on weekends.
Family is very important. They always support us.
I agree. It is good to have a loving family.
Here is your salad. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Marco. The salad looks fresh and colorful.
Yes, it does. I love the mix of vegetables. It is healthy and light.
I am excited to try the spaghetti and pizza when they arrive. I am sure they will be delicious.
Me too. Good food makes a date even more special.
Anna, what are your dreams for the future?
I dream of traveling to many countries. I want to see new places and learn about different cultures. I also want to work in a job that makes me happy. What about you?
I dream of becoming a teacher. I want to help young people learn and grow. I also want to travel, maybe to Europe or Asia.
That is a wonderful dream. Teaching is a very important job.
Thank you. I believe that education can change lives.
Yes, I agree. Our dreams are our guide for the future.
Anna, do you like to cook?
Yes, I do. I love to try new recipes, especially Italian ones like pasta and pizza.
That is great. I like to cook as well, but I also enjoy eating out at nice restaurants.
Eating out is fun, especially on a date like this.
I agree. It is nice to relax and let someone else do the cooking sometimes.
Yes, and when I cook at home, I like to make simple dishes that are healthy and tasty.
I like that too. Cooking should be fun and not too complicated.
Here are your main dishes. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you, Marco. The spaghetti looks amazing.
And the pizza is very colorful. I can't wait to try it.
Let's share a little bit of everything.
Yes, that is a great idea. Sharing food makes the meal more enjoyable.
The food is very good. The spaghetti is rich and tasty.
And the pizza is fresh and full of flavor. I love the taste of the tomatoes and basil.
I am very happy with our choice of restaurant.
Me too. This place is perfect for a first date.
Tom, what do you like to do on weekends?
I like to play football with my friends and sometimes go to the cinema. I also enjoy reading and listening to music at home. What about you?
I like to go for long walks, visit the park, and sometimes meet my friends for coffee. I also like to watch movies at home.
That sounds very relaxing. I like a mix of outdoor and indoor activities.
Yes, I believe it is good to have a balance. Outdoor activities keep me active, and indoor activities help me relax.
I agree. What is your favorite season?
I love spring. The weather is warm and the flowers are blooming. It makes me feel happy.
I like spring too, but I also enjoy autumn. The leaves change color and the air is crisp.
Autumn is beautiful as well. Each season has its charm.
Yes, and I enjoy different activities in each season. In spring, I like to go hiking, and in winter, I like to stay indoors with a good book.
That sounds perfect. I like to change my activities with the seasons.
How was your meal? Can I offer you dessert?
The meal was wonderful, thank you. I would like to see the dessert menu, please.
Yes, I would love to have dessert. Maybe something sweet to finish the evening.
I hope they have cake or ice cream.
That would be nice. I like chocolate cake very much.
I like fruit tart. It is sweet but not too heavy.
Both choices are good. Let's ask the waiter.
Marco, can we see the dessert menu, please?
Of course. Here is the dessert menu. Would you like to order now?
Yes, I would like a slice of chocolate cake, please.
And I would like a fruit tart, please. Thank you.
You are welcome. I will bring your dessert soon.
Anna, I am very happy with our date today.
Me too, Tom. I have enjoyed our conversation and the good food.
I feel that we have many things in common. Our dreams, our family values, and our hobbies are very similar.
Yes, I agree. It is nice to meet someone who likes the same things.
I hope we can have more dates like this in the future.
I would like that very much. Maybe we can try another restaurant or go for a walk in the park next time.
That is a great idea. I look forward to seeing you again.
Here are your desserts. Enjoy.
Thank you, Marco. The chocolate cake looks delicious.
And the fruit tart looks very fresh. I can't wait to try it.
Let's share a little bit again.
Yes, sharing makes everything more fun. The cake is rich and sweet.
And the fruit tart is light and very tasty. I love the mix of flavors.
This dinner has been perfect. I am very glad we came here.
Me too, Tom. This is a wonderful first date.
Anna, would you like to meet again next week?
Yes, I would love to meet again. Maybe we can go for a coffee or a walk in the park.
That sounds very nice. I will call you to plan the details.
Please do. I am looking forward to our next date.
I am happy that we had this time together. It makes me feel that we can be good friends and maybe more.
I feel the same, Tom. Today has been very special for me.
Thank you for coming on this date. I really enjoyed it.
Thank you for inviting me. I had a wonderful time.
Great job! Do you want to practice your English and become more fluent? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our free English conversations. See you in the next video.